Look at the photograph. He is a person without eyesight, attired in a plain dhoti and spotless, clean khadi full shirt with a laced turban adorning his head, vibhuti on his forehead, a sandal tilak between the eyebrows, and a well wrist watch on the left hand. He has a rosary of Rudraksha around his neck. He is playing on the veena. Can you guess who the person is? Yes, you have guessed it right. It is none other than the legendary musician Pandit Dr. Puttaraj Gavai, a picture of deep simplicity. The word Gavai means a great singer. Puttaraj Gavai is a Vagyakara, means a composer. He has created and contributed new ragas to the world of music. He is a legendary musician, a vocalist, a gifted writer, a playwright, an instrumentalist, an ardent lover of music, a proprietor and director, and a poet, all rolled into one. He dedicated his entire life for educating the visually challenged and destitute children. Though he was an embodiment of knowledge, he considered himself Putta, means small in everything. His dedication to his guru was great and it speaks of his great humility. Devara Hospet, a village in Hangal Taluk in Dharwad district, is a place of pilgrimage of devotees of Shiva. There lived a pious couple named Revanya and Siddhamma. A boy was born to them on 3rd March 1914 in his mother's native place, Devgiri, near Karajagi in Haveri district. They named him Puttaya. The child was very attractive with bright eyes. The parents were very happy and their joy knew no bounds. But Providence had a different game to play. When Puttaya was not even 6 months old, his eyes became infected. The condition of the child aggravated and the mother tried various medicines suggested by native doctors. One such suggestion proved to be deadly in his losing the eyesight at an early age. This was a big blow to the family. Misfortunes struck him in succession. Puttaya lost his father when he was just 2. His maternal uncle Chandrasekhar Raya took him under his care. Then came a turning point in the life of Puttaya. One day Chandrasekhar Raya had been to his field. The boy Puttaya was very sure that nobody was nearby and took his uncle's harmonium and sat down to play on it. After some time returning home, Chandrasekhar Raya heard from a distance someone playing his harmonium. He instantly flew into a rage. He could not tolerate others handling his harmonium. He came closer. He was filled with wonder and delight when he heard the sweet melody on the harmonium. It was his nephew, Puttaya. Tears of joy rolled down his cheeks and he embraced the boy. Puttaya's grasping power was a matter of wonder to Chandrasekhar Raya. He learned everything about music within a short time from his maternal uncle, but it was evident that there was in him an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. The uncle thought of a competent teacher to teach him. He took him to Pandit Panchakshar Gavai, the pontiff of Vireshwar Punyashram, under the paternal care and the expert guidance of Panchakshar Gavai. Puttaya mastered both the Hindustani and Carnatic music and soon became Ubhaya Gana Visharad. Puttaya also learned to play many musical instruments such as the veena, the tabla, the mridangam, the dilruba, the shehnai, and the sarangi, and was recognized as an outstanding musician. He attained a high degree of mastery over all of them. His guru, Pandit Panchakshar Gavai also initiated him into the study of literature. He arranged for the teaching of the celebrated works like Shabara Shankara Vilasa, Rajashekara Vilasa, and the Jaimini Bharata. Putaya also learned Braille, the script for the visually challenged. Having mastered Kannada, Hindi, and Sanskrit, Pandit Puttaraj authored over 80 outstanding works, which includes Purnas, biographies, drama, commentaries, and texts on music. Notable among them are the plays Shri Kumareshwar Kavya, Akkamahadevi Purana, Sati Sukanya, Puratanara Purba, Sharanara Basveshwara Purana, Guru Sudha, and Sangita Shastra Jnana are his work on music. His translation of Siddhanta Sikhamani from Sanskrit and Basva Purana from Kannada to Hindi are commendable. His Basva Purana in Hindi won the appreciation of the then President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. On learning that the author was blind, the President invited him to his residence and honored him. They say pen is mightier than the sword. It is true of Dr. Puttaraj Gavai. In spite of his physical disability, Pandit Puttaraj Gavai achieved wonders as the editor of Panchakshar Vani, a monthly magazine. It is a great contribution in the field of Kannada and Virashva literature. Pandit Puttaraj set up Shri Guru Kumareshwara Poshita Natya Company, and from the money he earned provided free food, shelter, and education to the disabled and the orphans. This theatre company has given innumerable performances throughout Karnataka. Sri Shivayogi Siddharama, a play written and directed by him, earned him both fame and money. Hema Reddy Mallamma and Nelura Nimbekka have been till date his most successful plays. One can assess the popularity of the play Hema Reddy Mallamma from the fact that it had an uninterrupted 376 performances in Gadag. With the profit from these plays, the company became very stable financially. With this, he purchased a 36-acre plot of land in Gadag, which has known come to be referred as Mallammana Hola. This has become a permanent source of income to the Vireshwara Punyashram. Today, this institution has become highly renowned and runs on a secular approach. It admits students from all sections of the society without any discrimination. It has been contributing thousands of nationally and internationally famous musicians, radio artists, music teachers, stage artists, kirtankaras, and professionals to the field of music and fine art in the country. The music maestro Puttaraj Gavai became the successor of the ashram Vireshwara Punyashram after his guru Panchakshar Gavai died on June 11, 1994. This ashram is specially dedicated to imparting musical knowledge to people who are differently abled, especially visually challenged, drawn from all castes, religions, and sections of the society. Today, the ashram is a place of musical pilgrimage for lovers of music. At the age of 97, the leading light of music, Pandit Puttaraj Gavai, passed away on 17 September 2010 at the Vireshwara Punyashram in Gadag in North Karnataka. More than 10 lakh devotees attended his funeral ceremony. He was buried at the ashram as per the tradition and with the government honors. Dr. Puttaraj Gavai has led a legendary life. His life is a saga rich with music, literature, Shiva Puja, Shivanubhav, and other divine experiences. Every moment of his life was rewarding. Dr. Puttaraj Gavai has been conferred with many titles and awards by many institutions that promote art and culture, recognize talent and service to the humanity. These titles and awards include President Award for Basava Purana in Hindi, Honorary Doctorate by Kannada University, Nadoja Prashasti, Kannaka Purandara Prashasti, Kendra Sangeet Natak Academy Award, Rajya Sangeeta Vidwan by Government of Karnataka, National Award for the Betterment of Disability by Government of India, Nadoja Award from the Karnataka University, Basavashri Award, Kalidas Samman by Government of Madhya Pradesh, and Padma Bhushan. The story of the life of Dr. Puttaraj Gavai is a lesson to all those who are physically challenged, for he could overcome his disability and reach such unimaginable heights. This physically challenged individual was a sublime ideal soul in word, thought, and in deed. Thank you.